there are items that have like shame and guilt built into them.
Yes.
There are gifts that you've received from people. Maybe they were well-meaning, maybe they weren't. There's just layers, and we keep things, and you're like, oh, my Auntie June is coming to visit. I better put that vase out. And
Right.
I'm like, okay, that's great. Will it make you happy? Because Auntie June's going to know if you're not happy. I live this. I know. So it's really learning to know that like a physical object isn't more powerful than you. And like to have like just that grace with yourself that you can change your goals too. Like you can think something really mattered. Like you could have decorated your house when you first bought it with a different vein. And then you're like, okay, we're different now. My kids are older. We have more dogs. We don't like Kelly Green anymore or whatever, you know, whatever.
Yes, the
thing.
brass.
It's okay to make changes. It's okay to, I think a lot of it is like just giving ourselves permission to
let go.
Let things go.
Like